Hello guys, in this video we are trying to solve this word search problem. तो मैंने अब जिन्हें क्वेश्चन नहीं पता है वो एक बार पढ़ लीजिए पॉज करके. Okay, so basically what we have to do in the question, we are in the 2D matrix. We have to search this word in the 2D matrix. Okay, let's start coding. At first, change this to array. This should have it. Okay, okay. Okay, better to make okay. J plus plus. Okay. Now we have to search the first word and first letter of the word in the 2D matrix. So we divert the this 2D matrix. Let's start. We have to search the first word. That means if error I J equal word dot here at 0. Okay. The call function. Okay, what do you pass in the move function? The part array I j and okay index 0. Now make a move function static void. This is what function we will. I will show you one more type how to deal with this problem. Boolean type. This is void. Okay, move char array int int call. Okay, int stack ind index, and we need one more. I forgot the time. That is string. Okay, if string word. Okay, what will be the weight condition? Pause this video and things one again. Okay, let's put the base condition. If raw sorry is smaller than 0 or row greater equal to length. Okay, length and okay, or all smaller than 0 or all greater than or equal to length. I think there is greater equal to better. Yeah. Okay. And one more thing is let's no need to go outside of the string. So and this will be smaller than st dot length. And this is simply return. It is happened. Okay, let me. Okay, now. Okay, what is the inverse condition? When we return true, or this that is white apple, so we can make here static boolean check equal to true or false. Anything more important. If dot char at ind not equal to array of row and column, we can put this in here, but okay, we'll try. Okay, return if t dot sorry I mean ind equal st dot length. Okay, we can do check equal to true and return. Okay, now we can start our main type of recursive function. Before that, we have to put, suppose we have visit this and we have to put something else. That said, we have put at the rate or anything. So we can backtrack. Okay. Hello, call equal to okay, now call function put array. So we have to. It is better practice to go with the test case. What I want to say, just like that. अगर आपका ये इस साइड जा रहा है तो आप इस साइड से स्टार्ट करो आई मीन राइट साइड से तो रो will be same call plus one. Okay, and the ind plus one and st remains same. Okay, this one. Okay, now this is going down. Okay, now call plus one. Okay, call remains same. Again, then on that side, that means call minus call minus. Okay, now again one function remain. What we go to upside, that is minus one. Same. Okay, now we have to put what we remove from here. Think what I do. What you have to do. Row call equal to what I do. Okay. Char at ind. Okay, return. We can put return or not. It's not matter. Okay, we'll check. It's check. Break. What I wait, it is here. I need to put here also. So it will stop this loop and it will stop this loop. Okay. If you do not put check function here, what we will do it in further a again here it will start this function again. If we get our word in the here, so no need to traverse both again. I do this. Okay. At the last, return check. What is in check? True or false? And then okay, I can do it here. Okay, if it is in here, suppose we have the 2D matrix of one word and one, I mean, oh, just like that. I will write some what I want to say. It's like that. We contain A in 2D and our word is also A. We'll go here. It will come here. If it is not here, it will encounter and the return it will never come here. Okay. So I do this. You can put here and check what I want to say. Okay, I think it is enough. We will go with this. Let's try to run. Okay, we get wrong answer. Just like this one. I'm getting false. Okay, for that. Okay. Wait, what I did is this is one and equal to length return true. Return right. Okay, just one call mention. Think true. Check. Turn check. Let me check once more. It will come here. Okay, it will come here. And the it will come here. Okay. I think only. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is false. We are not in false. This is the case. Check again. Debug. Okay, so what we have to do in the check, it should be again false. What we will do in the lead code, it remains same. If we put a true here, it will remain true always. Okay, now it will work again. Okay, it is accepted. Now one more trick of doing same thing. What you have to do, just like that. We have to put if condition. Okay, if I think this is better than before. I will try to explain at the end. So be with me. And sorry for my English. Okay. Return to okay else. Okay. Now, okay. False. False. Okay. No need to do this. No need to do this thing. Okay. Okay. We need return false. That means boolean is not required. Again, this one also not required. We have put if here. If it is true, return true. Okay. I think this is better than before. Okay. It will work. Okay. We are getting some error. Okay. Of operator and okay. How is without it? How that is without it? Okay. It's right. I think. Don't think there's any. One again. Okay. One more mistake. Boolean. We are returning Boolean. Once again, we need to put false. Okay, we are not getting any error, but yes, you are getting something. Okay. Again, debug this one. Okay, okay. Return to true. We have to return to not false. Error, false, and true. Now it will work. 100% work. Okay, it is accepted. Now what we are doing here, we put all four recursive function here. If anyone returning true, it will go inside this. Okay, so try to end it with okay. Bye. Oh, one thing, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share.